what it looks like at the end. In this video I am going to show you how to add CSS Dark Mode toggle in under 5 minutes. Let's give this page a header and link the CSS and JavaScript file. We don't need to create everything from scratch. We can get most of the toggle HTML and CSS from W2 schools. In the CSS file, create a CSS section for day, and add all the design you want to be shown for the day, and then have another section for the night and add all the CSS design you want for the night. For this exercise I am going to keep it short and just add background colors. It is not working yet, so let's add some JavaScript to make it work. Again, you can design the page however you like, but essentially this is how the toggle works. And I finished under 4 minutes. Nice.